Well, hey friends. So, I don't know how to say this other than just say it. Looks like my guinea pigs have an addiction problem. So before I got my guinea pigs, I did a lot of research online, and several videos said the way to become friends with your guinea pigs and get them to trust you and feel at home is to feed them pea flakes. And in order to do that, there's quite a process. You have to make them. And I thought, I'm not going to make my guinea pigs pea flakes. Anyway, after I had them for a few days and they just seemed so skittish still and so afraid, I decided to give it a try. So I made my first batch of pea flakes and give them a little taste of it, and guess what? Oh, that was good. Maybe you're not such a bad person after all. So, yeah, now they can't get enough of them. Let me show you what it entails to make pea flakes. So on the other YouTube videos I've seen, they say to use a glass to squish them down. But when I do that, they stick to the glass, and then I have to peel them off, and sometimes that doesn't work very well. So I'm going to show you my new method for doing this, and I think it just works better. I put a whole bunch of peas out, and they seem to squish better if I put them round side up. Okay, so a lot of you might be thinking, why don't I just get frozen peas or cooked peas in a can? That this would probably go a lot quicker. Well, guinea pigs can't digest cooked food, so that is why. These are just green split peas. I think this bag costs like 75 cents or something. And I soak them for a few hours. And then I make my pea flakes for the princesses. When they come out of the oven, they just pop right off the paper. Yep, guinea pig crack. That's what that is. There you go, buddy. Georgia loves them so much, she rarely lets Maine out to get one. Let's let Maine out, shall we? There you go, Maine. There you go, sweetheart. Come here, Georgia. Hey, Georgia, come get your vitamin C. Good girl. You like it. Treats. Hold on, Georgia. Oh, you're going to take both of them. Okay. Y'all are so cute. Oh, that's funny. Come on up in my lap. Right here. You're almost all the way up there, Georgia. Y'all are so cute. Here's a good one for you, Georgia. Such piggies.
Stay lost, my friends.